You need a match. Oh, I think it's burning.
It's burning. I see the heat.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Tyler, got
I'm not even gonna do that. No.
Listen to his suffering. Oh my god.
He's losing his neck.
Oh my god, look at it go crazy.
This is all melting.
Side post.
Look at the neck. You hear the motor. You hear the motor going.
His head's falling off. Yo, the motor's starting to catch on fire. Its backside is on fire. The ass is on fire.
Is it?
What the hell? How did that get on fire?
Oh, it dripped.
Oh, look at it's gonna fall off.
Is the stereo right here? No.
No.
Oh, that smells like ass.
Oh my god,
Oh,
look
that
at
smells terrible.
it. Oh, look at. You gotta keep his one wing good.
Oh my gosh! Dump that shit on it.
Push again.
You guys want some more?
You're so fucked up, too. How is this still going?
No, don't put it on the button
I
side.
know, I try not to. Quick again.
It's starting to slow down.
The motor's done. Look, it's trying to turn.
Alex, you're not pushing that button again.
We'll see. Oh,
See the button right now.
I don't think there's gonna be anything left of the button. I can see the button just melted. Wait, that's an eye. I should press it.
Try
yo,
it,
this
you
stuff-
can.
The can's on fire.
Oh, his leg fell off.
Get her, Tyler. Watch out, the can's on fire right beside you. It smells like...
I think the battery's gonna blow up.
Slow motion. You just see Taylor going back.
That's so funny. Dude, what happens if the battery blows up?
Run.
No, they're gonna blow up.
Don't hide behind me!
Like,
Hide behind the blonde guy.
Can you see the button?
It's all pretty good. Yeah.
Stick's too big.
That's been camping.
There's the button. Oh,
Your
here.
battery's gonna blow up.
There's the button.
Dude, what are you doing?
Nothing. Oh, I don't think it's visible. I think the battery's gonna blow. Ooh. Oh. Now flip it over.
The leg fell off.
That's beautiful.
We should
Yeah,
let
the
it
batteries
cool,
are
and then
going.
tomorrow morning take it back and show them what's left of it. Right, I don't think that's like... You
We'll
guys
just
dump
take
that
that
in the
plastic
water.
clamp.
I'll take it, carry it. I'll carry it all the way back just to show them what... Okay, I'm not sitting on
Fucking
the
messed up, you know.
You better move back in case the battery's going.
Yeah, the battery's gonna go.
Oh my god.
Like this
Come
aware.
on. Shit.
Battery's gonna blow.
Yodel.
Awesome. I'm gonna do this when I get home. I'm gonna go buy some of that stuff.
Christina watches her stuff. I had a skunk that backs up. It goes doo 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 and backs up.
We should get one of those rolling laughing dogs and do that.
And catch it on fire, it'll be like rolling back and forth.
Laughing and laughing and laughing.
It'll be like,
Kaboom!
when is it gonna like?
Have you guys had batteries blow up before?
Yeah.
Every time?
Yeah.
What does it look like?
Oh, they bang.
Dad,
we
how
blow
far
it
does
up?
it go?
Like from there to the cabin.
Am I gonna get hit?
No, I'm joking. Oh, there's one. Don't put your face near it.
I'm not gonna put my
You're
face.
like,
No.
Hide. Hiding behind you. Yeah. Great
Where
play.
the other one can go? Where's the other can? Let's do a whole can. I wonder if you just put the can on the fire.
What the hell is still burning?
The battery.
I have like no idea. Like this shit's terrible.
Is this animal's cruelty?
Yeah, Tyler.
Could be.
Like what?
Where's the leech? We have to have a leech.
Where's the leech? Put the leech in the sternum.
Oh my gosh, great idea.
You go in there and go swimming first, then come out. Let's put the sternum on you.
Sternum.
What?
I want to light one of those things now.
Oh, there's 2 batteries.
How many batteries are in there?
3.
I'll get the other one.
I got a headache because I breathed in the bad smoke.
Really?
I have Advil if you want. Shit.
Is it like pot?
Yes, dear.
It's almost 7 minutes.
How come it burns that long?
Cause
It's
We should have a TV show this.
It's plasticky.
that's sneaky.
Have you ever heard of the island of Plastiki? It actually is an island.
Holy crap!
Full
What are the
plastic.
2 other ones gonna like explode?
2 already went.
Oh, I only saw one.
There's one left.
I don't know how this is still burning. Like what is there? I want to see it burn until it goes out. Go get a marshmallow.
Press the button. Press the button.
Woo! Yes. Alex,
Kaboom.
look at that. I am the best. What are you doing?
I say we go toss it in the water.
Oh no. The poor shovel.
The poor shovel. We're like
Push it
baking a
against the
pizza.
rock.
Kaboom!
We're baking a pizza. Poof.
Manja, 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 manja.
I was gonna whip it, but I don't know if I can make it to the water. No, I shouldn't. It's actually environment.
Ah, we
Jump
can
it in
edit
the
it.
fire.
Do it. You can
Hold
walk with it.
I'm moving away from here.
You
No,
walk.
no, not on video.
Johnny jumped in the middle of the forest.
Oh, the thing. Is that gonna blow up?
Yeah, it's just.
Flammable.